Alright, hey guys, welcome to Chase to Health. I got another Miami fruit review tasting video. When I was in Costa Rica back a few months ago, I was really excited to try some sugarcane because I used to go to Jamaica a bunch when I was a kid and I'd have sugarcane quite a bit. And I really wanted that nostalgic taste, so I got some and it was great. But I really missed the taste, so they sell it there. So I thought I'm quarantined right now, so I thought I would have some comfort food. Okay, so there's a green variety, and I think there's other varieties too, but this is the red one. This is the one that I had in Costa Rica that I thought was really good. You kind of want to wash it off and take like a rag to it just to make sure there isn't anything super nasty on there. You actually can, I did it all by my mouth, so you can like bite into it. Like this. Like an animal. And you can totally do it like that. So if I chop this, it's hard to chop. And then you get all this off here. So it's wood, kind of, I mean, so it's like bark. You know, there is some bark that's edible, so wouldn't be a far cry to imagine our ancestors, you know, eating this like this. Okay. It tastes really good. I found that when I was in Costa Rica, some of them tasted better than others, so in a way it's a lot like a box of chocolates. You never know which one's gonna taste sweet. Sweeter. Oh my god. When I was a kid, I used to, whenever there was the sugar in the raw at a restaurant, I would always take a pack and like put it in my mouth and just let it melt on my tongue. I love the flavor. It's really great. But this is raw. This is like actually healthy for you. Okay. So, here, I'll cut off this little spot here. Cheated a little bit. So yeah, then you can just bite into this. And you chew it. Okay, that's good. Excuse me. And then you spit out the wood. Don't swallow the wood. Probably wouldn't hurt you, but it might hurt you. It's not gonna help you. That is so good. It's better than candy because it like I remember when I first realized why I didn't like candy, because I loved the way it tastes. I used to be like a candy-aholic. I'd get whenever I got money, I would take all the money I had, bike to the Cottagewood general store, my local general store, and just like buy as much candy as I could and just like eat it all. I would put like powdered sugar in water and like drink it. It was insane. But eventually I realized, well, yeah, this tastes good, but I don't feel good. I don't feel good at all. And this, you feel good. So, gonna make you watch me this whole time here. You can just do it with your teeth. It's kind of weird at first, but your teeth are very strong and much stronger than this. Yeah, if you want, you can just, you know, chop this up, and then you chop it into pieces, and then it's just a little more easy to chew. Tools are nice. Oh my god. So, but us human, God, I just need another piece. Oh, that's a juicy one. Oh my god. It's too good. You know when something's so good it like makes you mad that something can be that good. That's how good this is. I'm like upset. Anger's the emotion I'm experiencing. Okay, but you know, that's kind of like maybe weird for people. It's kind of like you feel like you're like an animal or something. So what you can do is you can just skin this off here, and you might want to just cut off the ends, because if you see, it can get a little red or something, and I don't know if that's, so you just cut off that end. You want. Get that fresh, unoxidized sweet cane, baby. Sweet cane. All right. Yeah, and I guess this one too. Would be nice to have quality sharp knives for this. A cheap knife is not going to be your friend. And then you just cut off the sides here, like so. Save your teeth, you know. I know a lot of raw vegans made the mistake of eating too much dried fruit, or, you know, that's a common thing that happens. And dried fruit is just like gummy bears. It sits on your teeth and then rots your teeth. It's not natural. So doing it the old natural way could be tough on some people, some raw vegans' teeth. I know for sure. You can kind of get a little bit more out of this. Oh man, but anyway, I'm not gonna. I got more in the fridge. This wasn't all I came. I came like a ton. Okay, so yeah, and then you just chop these up. Actually, no, I'm gonna peel all these first. Oh, if I didn't say it already, yeah, so you juice them. You can juice this to a juicer. Okay. All right, so now I'm gonna chop these up really fine. Let's see, like this, and this, and then, I wonder how fine I should do it for the juicer. It's no harder than a carrot, it's just made of wood, so you just, yeah, this takes a long time. This is taking a long time. Oh. Oh my god. See, this is how you serve it. You serve it like this, and then people can be nasty and spit it out into a cup or something. That's the problem, it's not very elegant. Alright, peel some of that off it. Seems like I didn't strip that close enough. Alright. Well, we'll see how the juicer likes it. Not sure. That's a lot of sugarcane cubes. All right. So I got my juicer here. I guess I'll just maybe do this. Just put it in the camera shot here. Never juiced this before. So, all right, let's try it. Yeah, you might want a special juicer for this. This is like, it's like full in there. That's really tough to get out. Oh yeah. That looks really good. Looks brown. Looks like an ale. Let's try it. That filter did not, there's like little wood particles in it. If you can't tell, I've never done this before. I'm gonna put it through a coffee filter because I'm not digging the graininess of it. God, do I have a funnel? Yeah, I got a funnel. Yeah, so I'll do some research and I'll find a juicer that you're actually supposed to do this with, and I'll put it in the comments. I think what people usually do, there's like a press, like you use a press. Okay, I'm gonna let that sit. Alright, the coffee filter's taking its sweet time. So I'm just gonna taste this little bit that I got. See what it tastes like. Oh my god. Wow. It's like syrupy, but like the woody flavor like really balances it out. It's really, really good. Wow. Oh my god. Definitely have to filter it with a coffee filter though, because before there was like particles of wood in it. There's no bueno. Yeah, the coffee filter is not doing a super great job. I need a little. This is not a good sign. It's like sweet sawdust. So a couple things, yeah, this is just not working. And then filter wasn't working in here, and it's not working in here either. I thought if I spread it out, it would work, but the tiny little particles must be clogging the filter. So what people say to do online is actually just use a blender. So I'm just gonna throw the rest in my blender. Okay, you can see there's like stuff getting caught in the filter there. So that, I think, is clogging it. Filter tastes good. I'm learning, okay? I'm learning. It's okay to learn as you go sometimes. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about, baby. There's my cup right there. It's a whole cup. Oh yeah, baby. Oh my god. You know what's weird? It kind of reminds me of apple cider. But like way, way better. Okay. Let's get that for a second here. Okay, so now I should be able to just take this and put it in here. Put this all in here. It's like I'm making almond milk. Hey, that's like the deal, man. Such a mess. All right, now I'm just gonna squeeze this. Yeah, there might not be any easy way to do this. You know what you could do? You could probably soak this in water and it would dissolve it out. Well guys, there it is. It's delicious. Oh, this is like, so like you sip on this, like on a summer night. It's like got such a strong flavor. Oh my god. All right guys, well, there you have it. I didn't know what I was in for when I was juicing, trying to juice this. I had no idea. But wow, it's totally worth it. There's just gotta be a better way. I think obviously this was better. I'm worried about, you know, the juicer shutting off, so. Anyway, to sum this all up, yeah, I got this from Miami Fruit Company, and yeah, you can, I'll show you real quick. So you can store it in your fridge like this. I got extra stuff. So you just wrap it, you just wrap saran wrap around the ends, and you can rubber band it if you have it. I ran out of rubber bands to do all of them, but, and supposedly that'll keep for a couple weeks. So yeah, I think if I had like a press, I might do this more often, but this was intense. I think I might just cut them up like I had them and then just chew them, and just like, that's, not only is the juice is going to be fresher, so it's going to be healthier because it isn't oxidized. As soon as you juice things, so that juice it's getting worse as time goes on. It's really enjoyable, but that's something to be aware of. So for the health and for the taste, you might as well just do that. But if you have a better way to do this, this might have worked. The blender might have worked better. Anyway, might have worked better from the beginning. Oh my God. Can't describe what the flavor is. It's almost like apple cider. But like, apple cider is kind of like tart and weird. It's really like earthy. It's like, I don't know how to describe it. It's earthy, it's sweet, but there's this earthy, dark, woody. I feel like it like makes sense that the flavors are together, which would make sense because to get this flavor, it came with the wood. That's how it came. Oh my God, it's so good. Like, I wonder if this is like, I don't know what the health effects of this. I don't even know how much sugar's in this. Oh my God, this is so good. This is probably like coconut water's good. This is like, this hits me like deep. It's so good, I can't believe it. It's like perfect. It's perfect. The woodiness and the earthiness with the sweet is like perfect. Oh. God, I love it. I wonder if it is healthy though. I wonder if it's like unhealthy for some reason. Like you couldn't have it every day. It wouldn't be special if you had it every day. Like juice is not natural. Like to get this normally, you would have had to chew it. It's like slow intake. So if you're gonna drink this, I'm already drinking this too fast. But I always loved molasses and like sugar in the raw. So stupid that we bleach sugar. What is up with that? Brown sugar. Why does it taste so good? Because it's more natural. It's what, you shouldn't have that sweet taste without the woodiness. I mean, this is the only sweetener you'd ever need to use. Like cane, like fresh pressed cane juice. You can get evaporated cane juice, which would be nice. Just for the flavor, I mean, because it's not healthy, but supposedly date sugar is like the healthiest. But this has got to be healthier than date sugar because it's not dry, it's like fresh. Wow. If you ever get a chance. Wow. And I feel good. I mean, I don't feel as good as if I ate fruit. It's just like orange juice. Like I'll drink orange juice. It's good to drink orange juice maybe like before you're going for like a run or something. If you want to like get some carbs before, but I don't drink a lot of orange juice. I have a juicer for it. But yeah, it's fun sometimes, but it feels I feel better when I just eat the oranges. Sometimes, okay, I'm rambling. Hey guys, well, yeah, it was delicious. I'd recommend it if you ever get a chance. Probably try the blender technique or get a proper press or something. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for future videos. See ya.